The first step in owning high mileage vehicles, get AAA. To the parts store. Okay, so sorry I had to switch cameras, but my phone works great in the truck, but outside not so much. So I went to the parts store, and obviously you can see that's where the bearing was, which, yeah, it was pretty bad. That was on there, and then they have a bolt that holds it in place. Now, a tensioner for this truck, for the 4.6, is just under $40 here. A pulley is $20. So, let's clear this off. Rest of it. A pulley that bolts right on. So instead of spending $40, I fix it for $20. So that's the first tip. Just because this is 200,000 mile truck, it's not a huge repair. It's just annoying, but. So I pop that on, tighten it down. Now, in certain situations, this welding table is nice. You can get it at Harbor Freight really cheap. But you can do everything from welding, but like when you tighten that, you put it right against there, and it locks it right in place. Now, we have a brand new pulley. When you start putting it back together. Now, while I have this out, if you look right here, that is a 1/2-inch drive. You put it in there, and that will release the belt tension, so you can put the new belt on. Just a little secret. All right, back to the iPhone. Sorry for the low light. Oh, actually, I'm getting good light here. So, to start, we have to push this down through between these two pulleys right here. See where that belt's routing? It goes down in. And that will wrap around the air compressor, or the AC compressor, first. So, we'll go underneath. See if we can get a video of it. Oh, goodness. Oh. Yeah, I'm not getting video of that. That's a guarantee. Okay. Then it wraps around and gets tight. Make sure we got there. Okay, that's on. And then over and up. Alright, so got a new belt on, got the new pulley on down there. And you can see Right. If you look at that bolt right above the belt by the power steering pump, yeah, be careful. Your belt can go over that, and it makes it rough for show. All right, I'm gonna get the intake put back on, and it looks like we're gonna have to run and grab some antifreeze again. So we're gonna have to get more antifreeze for sure, but all right. Power steering's back, good. Alright, a little bit of antifreeze. Then we're back on the road again. See, what that cop does is he sits right up here and gets everyone as they're coming down the hill. See that hill? When we're turning, they like to sit. So they're coming down this main stretch of highway. They will sit right up here. They will sit right there and watch the highway. Yeah, you gotta be careful. That's a speed trap, and they figured it out good. So, just a little something interesting to see.